All right, I've got the steering Guibo, steering bushing, steering link, steering knuckle, steering universal joint, whatever the hell you want to call this thing. I don't remember what Turner Motorsport called it. That's where I bought it. Driving the M3, a lot of bumps in the road or ruts really seem to send it all over the lane. So this is about the only thing suspension steering wise that I haven't replaced. And I can hear a little bit of clunking as I turn the wheel a bit. So I figure it's probably this. So I just got to take off the skid plating. And it should be right under there somewhere, pretty easy. So yeah, there it is. There's 2 bolts. So you would just need to position that to where you can get it and then turn it to get the other one. I see people taking like a screwdriver in here to separate it. So I'll see how that goes. Already test fitted it. It is a, I can't see that, E10. Okay, so I was able to reach up here and then reach through here too. And then I just pulled up and it moves a little bit, but you can see how this goes together, kind of. So that's how I got it out. That just slides into there. Yeah, kind of hard to show you. I could show you it telescoping if I could free up my other hand, but I can't. So hopefully now I should just pull out. And there it is. So it's hard to show on camera. You can kind of see it as I pull it. It's flexing, but it doesn't really feel too dissimilar to the new one. Well, I mean, it doesn't look too dissimilar. I definitely feel a difference. But I'm sure that once you start driving the car and you're steering it, there's so much of a load on it that the weakened rubber probably is much more noticeable. But just like the Guibo on the drive shaft, I know you feel that thing, one that's worn, and you can even see cracks, and a lot of them you can't really tell just how bad they are, but you sure know it when you're driving. So I'm assuming this is going to be similar to that. All right, so that's it. It's in. Pretty easy. I found that to telescope it, if you grab way up here, it seems to, maybe these sections here aren't telescoping, but up there, it definitely was. Just above here, the light doesn't really show up, but I start to get into the, gosh, what do you call it? Like the universal joint of the steering column, I think. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. That's about where I was grabbing up there. And that telescoped pretty good. I could push that up or down. And that's how I got to go back in. So there you go.